Imagine this. You finally get a high-paying job, big salary, big smile. You feel like you've won the game, but something feels off. 3 years later, same job, same stress, still broke. How is that possible? Here's the first lie we believe. If I earn more money, I'll be rich. That's not how money works. Money is like water. If your bucket has holes, more money just leaks out faster. High salary doesn't make you rich. It just makes you a well-paid hamster, running faster. You get a raise. Suddenly your phone is too old. Your car is not you anymore. Your banana must be premium. This isn't stupidity. It's your primate brain. It wants comfort, status, approval from other monkeys. So you buy things you don't need to impress monkeys you don't even like. Here's the real trap. You trade time for bananas. No work, no bananas. Rich monkeys don't work for bananas. Bananas work for them, even while they sleep. The rule is boring, but powerful. Live like you're poor until you're actually rich. Being rich isn't about how much you earn. It's about freedom. The trap is invisible. But once you see it, you're already out. The higher the salary, the nicer the cage. But a cage is still a cage. You buy a big house. Now you need a bigger salary to protect the house you barely see. Every month looks the same. Money comes in, money disappears. Magic. Busy monkeys feel important. Rich monkeys feel free. These are not the same thing. Debt feels like a banana today, but tomorrow, it bites back. You celebrate a raise. Your lifestyle celebrates harder. Guess who wins? You don't own your time, you don't own your income, but you own subscriptions. Amazing deal. The quiet monkey isn't poor. He's planning. One banana saved is one banana invested. Time does the heavy lifting. Real wealth is simple. Low needs, high control, and no invisible chains.